When we want to stop at a word, we need to look at the last letter of the word. This will tell us how to stop. If the word ends in one vowel, we replace it with a sukun. For example, the last word ends in one vowel, it reads as al-kafiruna. When we are reading and come to a stop, we simply replace the vowel with sukun. Now we read it as al-kafirun, not al-kafiruna. Another example, the last word has one vowel at the end, it reads dini. When we are reading and come to stop, we simply replace the vowel with a sukun. Now we read it as din, not dini. If the last word ends in two kasra or two domas or tanwin, we replace it with a sukun. For example, the last word had two domas, it or doma tanwin, it reads ahadun. When we are reading and come to stop, we replace them with a sukun. Now we read it as ahad, not ahadun. Another example, the last word has two kasra. It reads lahabin. When we are read and come to stop, we replace them with a sukun. Now we read it as lahab, not lahabin. If the last word ends in two fatha or fatha tanwin, we read it with one fatha and one alif. For example, the last word has fatha tanwin, the word reads hamiman. When we are reading and come to stop, we read it with one fatha and one alif. The alif is already there for us. Now we read it as hamima, or not hamiman. Another example, the last word has two fatha or fatha tanwin. The word reads hisaban. When we are reading and come to a stop, we read it with one fatha and one alif. Now we read it as hisaba, not hisaban. And in this example, it has two fatha or fatha tanwin. The words read nidaan. We say it when we are reading and come to stop, we read it with one fatha and one alif. Where is the alif? The same rule applies here. We simply place the alif in its place and read it with one fatha. Now we read it as nidaa. For example, we see ta marbuto at the end of the word. The word reads hamiyatun. When we are reading and come to stop, we change it to ha with sukun. Now the word reads hamiyah. With a ha at the end. In another example, we see the last letter of the words ends in ta marbuto. The word reads aliyatin. When we are reading and come to stop, we change it to a ha with sukun. Now the word reads aliyah. If the last letter is an alif with a fatha before it or the letter is a sukun, no change will take place when stopping. So the word here reads talaha and nothing changed. Another example, the last word has a sukun. The word reads hushirat and nothing changed.